caught a bird. Pretty cool. I don't even know how we're gonna find fucking worms for the bird. Oh, what do you know? Yeah, she could.
Oh, it's just there's one right here.
Get it.
I don't want to get it though.
I had the bird.
It's right there. It's a fat one too.
Pikachu. Get it.
Unless you want to eat a worm and throw it up in his mouth.
He's not gonna jump up. He already broke his right leg.
There, I got it. Ah, fuck, it fell.
You just don't.
Where's the best part here?
You call it over here then. Well, just yell. Don't go across the street. Neither do I. I don't like picking up the bird. Where's it at? Pick it up.
Closing his eyes.
Hmm?
I wonder if this fucking worm knows the fuck I want to do with it.
You saw anything?
Where's she at? Shoot.
Worms are slippery, so watch out.
Here, cord. I'm gonna grab it. Move that hand out of the way.
Looks like it's about to fall.
Like that.
No, it's over here.
Oh, okay.
This is so hard to get.
Can't you just put them on a leaf?
Where's the leaf?
There's a leaf right here.
Come. Here, shoot it. This thing is hard to put on. There, I got it. I got him.
Alright, let's go over here.
Hurry! There.
Attack!
He's gonna eat it weird.
I'll put it on the floor. Put it on the floor.
Ah, where'd it
It's
go?
right there. I see it.
I had to put it up there.
Go, birdie, go. Alright, get him off.
Ah, right there, right there.
Get off. Get him. Get him, bird.
Justin, turn him around. Push it in front of his face.
Let's go. Run. Oh, shit. Vicious. Right there. Get him. Get him.
There's a worm right there.
Get him.
Push it closer. He don't want it.
Get him. Attack.
He can't see it.
Down. Down.
You're stupid.
Down. See, he loves. Do I squish it?
I don't know.
I don't think baby birds are supposed to eat like that.
It's because you need to throw it up for him. You need to like squish it.
It's not
Maybe you
that.
need to put it by his mouth. Wait, put it by his mouth. Wait, pick it up with the
'Cause you
leaf
need
or
to feed
something. Here,
him.
here's the leaf. Here's the leaf.
Eat it.
Here's the leaf. Here.
Alright. Come on. Get on. Get on,
He
bitch.
doesn't even want to eat it.
No, I'm hungry, that's why. Get off my bird.
Wait, let me record that.
Record it.
Okay, let me record that as well.
Oh my god. Can I do it?
Yeah, you do it.
There's another worm. No, just
Oh my god. Take
put
forever.
it by it. There.
Feed it to my kid.
This is
Pikachu,
Marcus.
eat it. It's right there. It's right in front of you.
He doesn't even want it.